Hello all. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello Ashish. Hello Kamini. Hello Gaurav. Hello Komal. Hi Shobha. Hello everyone. Hello Benjamin. Hello all. Good afternoon, Benjamin. So, hello everyone. Hello. Good afternoon. Namaskar. Once again, welcome to Amul Facebook Live. What I am going to, first of all, today is a World Chocolate Day. We are going to celebrate the World Chocolate Day. So that's why I will be preparing today's dish. That is, I have completely used Amul product. That is Amul chocolate. I have used Amul curd. Then I have used Amul cheese spread, Amul lassi, Amul butter. So all kind of Amul product I am going to use it. That's why I have named this dish or dessert I am going to prepare today. That is Amul chocolate lassi cheesecake. So I hope everyone is joined. I hope everyone is safe at home. There is raining outside, right? Let's begin. Once again I'll introduce myself. Chef Deepa from Arun Muchala International College of Hotel Management, which is situated in Thane. You can see our FB page as well as Instagram page, that is AMICHM. I'm head of the department and HOD for food production department. Last almost 15 years I am working with Arun Muchala College of Hotel Management, which is situated in Thane, Ghodbandapur. Right? So let's begin. Let's first understand what all ingredients I am using for the cheesecake today. First of all, I just need to tell you all, see, this is what the cheesecake tin. Generally the tin which is used, the removable disc is there for the cheesecake, right? But nowadays such a huge cake if you will prepare it. So for that reason I have just modified. I am using this flan mold, which is also called as a flan mold. Again the same manner, removable disc is there. As well as one more thing I will be using it, that is the silicone molds. So these are the muffin molds basically. So you can use a smaller portion of a cheesecake for the individual person. So you can use this silicone, as well as there are many silicone molds are there. You can utilize that, and individual portions of cheesecake you can prepare. Again, now cheesecake, there are different two types of cheesecake. One is the baked cheesecake and the chilled one, right? So whatever I am going to prepare is a chilled one, right? About the Amul now, I'll come back. Amul is having a wide range of chocolates, and last 50 years they are serving chocolates to us, which is very much proud Indian brand, and very important is that they are Quaker chocolate. Quaker chocolate means what? They are the pure chocolate which are having the cocoa butter in that. with a good amount, and I think so Amul's one of the dark chocolate is the #1 chocolate in throughout the world, right, which is contain 99% of cocoa butter, which is really proud of Amul, I can say. And there are cookies. I'm using the cookies also today for the base. I'm using the Amul product. That's why I have named as a Amul chocolate cheese lassi. Amul chocolate lassi cheesecake. Okay, let's begin. Let's understand the ingredients first. Is there any questions? No. Okay, fine. See, can you just little bit come and I can show it to them. See, this is what the cookies are, Amul chocolate cookies. So I am using this chocolate cookies. I have made the powder of that, the chocolate cookies powder I have prepared, right? And I have used the melted butter over here. This is a melted butter. Approximately I have taken 2 packets, right? The quantity is completely depend on you. You can go with the smaller version also. Over here there is a powder sugar, and the third one which is there, that is, this one is a hung curd. Hung curd, again I have used masti dahi, Amul masti dahi. I have hung in the morning, right, and that is I have prepared. Very important ingredient is Amul cheese. See, basically in the cheesecake generally cream cheese is used, right? Over here I am using a cheese spread because as I told you, I'm completely using more of the Amul products. So for that reason is this, I'm using the Amul spread. No doubt the salt in it, but it tastes very yummy. Yes, is there?
There's a query, butter is salted or plain?
Sorry, butter. Butter is salted butter. Normal Amul butter I am using. As I told you in the previous only, I am using all the Amul products, right? Right? Sugar definitely at home it is there. Let's begin. First, very important is that I'll be mixing this a smaller quantity of cookies, and butter, cookie powder and butter, just 2 teaspoons. See to it that you will get the good. What is the difference between the couverture and compound? The compound chocolates which are available in the market, they are having the vegetable oil in it, sugar in it. You know, they are not the pure one. Whereas Amul is serving us a very natural and very delicious.
How many cookies we are using?
I have used, as I said, the 2 packets of the cookie. This is what the packet is, which is contained around 50 grams are there. In that 3 to 6 are there. So that 2 packets I have prepared the powder. You can say 1 packet I am using it right now. Very important, I am using this flan mold today, right? As I told you, I am using it, the smaller portion I am showing it. I am just applying little bit of oil. Always remember, don't put butter while greasing it, otherwise it will not move. You will not able to remove your cheesecake from the mold. Now after that, I'll be just pouring this mixture of butter and cookies, and I'm keeping it, I'm lining it, the base. I hope everyone can see, I am audible enough. See. This is a base for the cheesecake, and this base I'll be keeping it in the refrigerator, Right now I'll be keeping it in the freezer because we'll require it immediately. So for that reason I'll be keeping it in the freezer. You can keep it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes for the setting. That is what our base is, which is already I have kept it inside, right? Now the main mixture of the cheesecake I'll be starting with. So this is, I am using the cheese spread. There are different n number of the cheese, or cream cheese are available. Generally cream cheese are used in the preparation of cheesecake, but I had tried once with this cheese spread and it turned out very well, so that's why I'm using it and I'm showing it to you. So I'm just using an entire packet. This is around 200 gram packet is there of cheese spread. I have forgotten to show it to you, this also, this base is remaining, so I can put it inside this mold also. And so complete this one also we will keep it in the fridge. So once it will set, okay, as you know, Amul are having a very good range of chocolates. One second, I'll just switch it on. Keep it.
Can
Right.
we use egg?
Yes, definitely you can use egg, but whenever you are using egg, it's very important, either you have to bake it, that complete mixture, or else you have to prepare the egg yolk custard and separate egg white and then mix it with the mixture. So this is the basic mixture. In that you can make different variations. You can add egg, you can bake it, right? So that is what the different variations you can prepare it. This is a cream cheese. This is very important. Why I am showing it to you? Because you need to make it fluffy. The cream cheese, you have to make it very fluffy. If you will make it fluffy, then only your cheesecake will be good enough. So that is very important. If you don't have this beater, you can just use whisk, a normal whisk which is there at home. You can use that also. So sorry. So this is what the cream cheese, you have to properly beat it. When you are beating it, see through it that you are using your whisk properly. Then add around 2 tablespoons of sugar, powder sugar. See why I am using a powder sugar, because the cheese spread is having a salt in it, right? And we are using a curd. As I said, it is a lassi. So lassi contains only 2 ingredients. That is, the one is the curd and the second is a sugar. So that's why I am adding the sugar over here along with the cream cheese, and just mix it that also very well along with the cheese spread. So extra salt is not required in this dessert, because the cheese spread is as I talking about today is a World Chocolate Day, about the Amul. Last 50 years they are serving chocolate. They are having a different varieties of chocolate. I have found out that they are, the cocoa beans which are there, they generally take it from Karnataka, from India. In India, Karnataka and Kerala is the places from where they get the cocoa beans. See, now I have added the hung curd in it. So hung curd डालने के बाद आपको अच्छे से मिक्स करना है, उसको कंटिन्यूसली बीट करना है. But beat करते समय you have to be careful. If your curd is having a water in it, it will separate. The fat will separate. Fat will completely separate. So it's very important that you have to beat it very carefully.
From what you're adding? What you're adding?
I have added curd. I have added curd. Hung curd I have added, and sugar I am adding. So this is the mixture of cheese spread, hung curd, and sugar. 3 ingredients.
How much quantity?
See, for the 200 grams of cheese spread, I have used same 200 grams of curd, which is hung. So it comes to 100 grams, and I have added 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, powder sugar inside that. Now this is the main mixture which is ready. Yes, any queries?
How much hung curd?
Sorry?
Hung curd quantity.
Hung curd quantity is 200 grams of masti dahi I have hung, and that comes to 100 gram. It comes to 100 grams of curd I have received. Okay. Now, very important and very yummy, that is our Amul chocolate. As I told you, Amul is serving us, so I have used this white chocolate, which is lemon. Lemon is there inside, right? So that I have used.
Quantity.
That is also 200 gram. A complete I have melted. The quantity of the Amul chocolate I have melted completely. Now I'll be adding it inside this. A complete chocolate I'll be adding. I have melted this chocolate. I have kept it for the room temperature, and then I'll be adding it inside this. This is very, very important. You can see the silkiness. As I told you, the Amul chocolates are the pure chocolates. So that's why they are very silky, shiny, because of that cocoa butter is contained inside that. For that reason it is. See, the mixture is very fluffy now. Now this is done. You don't have to over mix this at this stage. Very, very important that you are not going to mix it more. If you mix it more,
Can we use home curd?
yes, you can use home curd. Yes, normal curd you can use it, you can hung it. Very important is that you need to hung that curd. You have to remove maximum moisture from that curd, the water from that curd, and then you can use the home curd also, no problem for that.
And how to melt chocolate?
Yeah, the chocolate is very important, the melting of the chocolate. Always remember, never heat the chocolate directly on the fire, right? Use double boiler method. In the double boiler method, keep water, boiling down, and some bowl or something on that top of handi. You can keep it, and you can boil it melt it your chocolate, which is very, very important. You are not supposed to put directly chocolate in the bowl and just keep it in the fire. Don't do that. Otherwise your chocolate will burn and you will not get the desired flavor. This is what the mixture. This is very important at this stage. You are not supposed to beat too much. I have already added the chocolate inside that. Curd is there, cheese is there. So all fatty products are there. If you will over mix this, it will start curdling. So it's very important to just cut and fold method, or maybe just mixing it gently will be the right way. So this mixture is done, right? We can just line it in the mold. Just easy to see, right? Now I will be adding it. You can use direct spoon, or I'm just using this scooper. Just pour this with the scoop, so it will be more easier. Once you have added, you need to just tap it. Keep some, duster or something down and just tap. Why to tap? To remove all the airs, and it will set properly. Otherwise there will be the air inside. Okay, so this is almost done. I'm just using it butter knife which is available, because it is small in quantity, so you can't use the palette knife to make it properly. Any queries?
Can the mixture be stored?
Sorry?
Can the mixture be stored?
Yes, you can store the mixture, but see, in whatever the container you will be storing this mixture, right, it will set in that container. So you have to be careful. You can keep it directly, put it in the molds and all that, and just set it. So this is done. Then you have to keep this for at least for 2 to 3 hours in the refrigerator. Don't keep it in the freezer. If you keep it in the freezer, the moisture start coming on top, because it will freeze it very fast. And when you will remove it and you will serve it, that time on top of that there will be a lot of moisture. So I'll suggest to keep it in the refrigerator at least for 3 hours, right? So this is what they're done. I'll be keeping this in the refrigerator for the setting purpose. Prepared in the morning only. I have prepared the few cupcakes, the smaller cheese cupcakes, as well as the bigger one also, which I'll show it to you right away. Just let me keep this in the refrigerator.
Can we use fruits in this cheesecake?
Yes, we can use the fruits in this cheesecake. See, as I said, we are using only chocolate, so definitely you can use a fruit puree. Along with the chocolate, you can use the fruit puree. So that can be the equal quantity of 100 gram of puree you can utilize, right? Then you can add different chunks of fruits on top of this. Your dish is almost ready, as I told you. Yeah. So you can see this. These are the cheesecake which is I have made it in the morning. As I told you, I have used silicone molds, and this one I have prepared the same manner. As I told you, the cheesecake is always lifted up like this, and just hold the base and then keep it like this. So you can see that I can garnish that with few sprinklers, right? I do have a dust, golden dust, We do have in our Amul, we do have international chocolates also. Each region is having a different flavor of chocolates. So that is a very distinct flavors are available. See, this is what I can say. These are the few cheesecake. Any queries? Anything you want to say? See, I have kept this in the freezer so you can see the moisture on top. So avoid this. To show it to you, I have kept it in the freezer. So avoid it. Let it set naturally. I can show it to you. There are two ways. See, basic mixture is the same. See, I have used the biscuit, which is the same Amul butter biscuit, cookie biscuit. Then the cheese, whichever I have showed you right now, the demonstration of that. And then the layer of the chocolate. I have added the dark chocolate in it. Just same manner, whatever the mixing I have told you, the basic mixing of curd, hung curd, then cheese spread, then sugar. This is the three basic ingredients you have to use it for this cheesecake. Again I'll repeat, cheese spread, then hung curd, sugar. You have to mix it that very well, and then in that any kind of chocolate, that can be a dark chocolate, bitter chocolate, you can melt that chocolate on the double boiler and you can use it. Amul is having a very nice chocolate. Why I am saying it? Again I'll say it, which is having a good amount of cocoa butter. It gets easily melted on whenever you will double boil it. It will melt. Other chocolate will not melt easily. You have to take a precaution for the white chocolate. Just boil the water, switch off the gas, and then keep it on the double boiler. It will not seize. What do you mean by seizing? Lungs बनते हैं ना chocolate के, वो बनेंगे नहीं. तो इसके लिए that is what the few guidelines which I can give it to you all. Anything else?
How much time it takes to set the cake?
As I said, it will take around 3 hours to set. Whatever the size I have showed you, this size I have kept it inside the fridge. So it will take 3 hours to set. If it is a bigger size, it will take more hours. And these are the smaller one, which is also done in the 2 to 3 hours. It is already finished with it. Any queries? Anything anybody wants to ask? I hope everyone liked the cheesecake. It's a very simple, nowadays all the Amul products are available everywhere. You can just try it out. It's a very delicious and yummy dessert. You can prepare it for the dinner, for the lunchtime, right? Now I just want to conclude. I want to thank Amul for giving us such a wonderful platform and inviting us again and giving us a very great platform for all the chefs, as well as I'll thank my college, that is Arun Vachala International College of Hotel Management, to allowing me to show my skills to other people also. So thank you all the viewers, especially my dear students, my friends, my family members. Thank you so much for watching me live. Thank you all. You can show once again. Thank you. My last cheesecake, you can just have a look, and my Amul products. My name